Hello everyone, welcome to Miller's Language School. Public Transport. Part 4. Answer the questions with the help of the preceding lessons. 98th lesson. Let's answer the questions with the help of the preceding lessons.
The question: how do you know if a cab is free?
The answer. If the cab is free, you will see asterisk a little, for hire, sign in the front.
The question: what is the popular name of the underground in the UK?
The answer. The popular name of the underground in the UK is the Tube.
The question: what is the popular name of the underground in the USA?
The answer. The popular name of the underground in the USA is the subway.
The question: where else can you find an underground railway system? What is it called?
The answer. We else can find the underground railway system in Paris, Berlin, and Vienna.
The question: is the tube expensive? Why is it dearer than the metro of Paris?
The answer. Yes, the tube in London is expensive because it is rather old-fashioned, unlike the Parisian metro.
The question: why must you keep your ticket until you reach the exit?
The answer. Because there are still employees who check your ticket at the exit.
The question: what are London buses called?
The answer. London buses are called double-deckers.
The question: can you smoke on a London bus? Where?
The answer. Yes, you can smoke on a London bus. You are allowed to smoke upstairs.
The question: who collects the fares? Who drives the bus?
The answer. On these buses, there is a driver and a conductor, who collects your fares.
The question: what are hackney cabs? What color are they?
The answer. Hackney cabs are the famous London taxis. They are black and large.
The question: which is the best way to travel around London?
The answer. The best way to see London is on foot, but you need a rest from time to time. Second wave. 40th lesson. Let's listen and repeat. That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include it in the comments of this video. The expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say, see you soon, for another video.